Guys, I'm submitting all of my assignments for uni today. Anyway, hi, how are you? How did you sleep? What are you up to today? I don't even know what to say. I'm submitting all of my deadlines. I'm basically done. I just want to go through them all like one last time. So my plan is I'm going to go into the cafe I work at and get a coffee and submit them all there because I literally just am not very good at focusing at home. So this is my outfit. This outfit is giving I'm going to submit several great assessments today. I think, personally, that's what I see when I see this outfit, and I bet you guys see it all too. I can't believe they're gonna be done soon! Absolutely crazy, absolutely bonkers. I just submitted my first assignment and I'm so scared. It's done. There's nothing I can do now. I'm currently uploading one of my biggest assessments. This is like 40 credits. But I'm proud of this one. Like, I'm really proud of this one. I think I've done good. Touch wood. I don't know. I get really scared of being like, oh no, I think I've done well in this one. Or like, I'm proud of this one. Because like, what if it's the one I do worst in? Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. No, wait, I'm so scared. What was the scariest thing I ever did? I officially handed in all my written assignments for uni. I will never have an assignment again. I'm so excited. It is over. Nothing has ever brought me so much joy. Except, honestly, the actual submitting was so stressful. I was so convinced I would accidentally submit the wrong file. I had to like triple check 100 times. Just to make sure. But it's over now. I'm back at my flat. Of course, I've gotten in pajamas. I'm gonna take a nap and then I'm going over to a friend's house to make cookies and hang out. Yay! Oh my god! I just watched The Idea Review, the new movie that's based off a Harry Styles fanfiction. What the hell? Crazy movie. A lot to discuss. First of all, how much did Anne Hathaway get paid to do this? Like, what? She is so successful. I don't understand why she just made a smarty Harry Styles rom-com. Interesting. Where is my... I'm gonna treat myself to a big old lion tomorrow morning. Be a completely carefree lion. Like, there's no stress, there's nothing I should be doing. Well, apart from like planning my future and finding a job, there's nothing I should be doing. I'm painting the floor of like my exhibition room at 5 o'clock. But apart from that, I'm guilt-free not getting out of that bed. Anyway, I need to take my makeup off. Good night, I love you. Good morning. So it's like 10 o'clock and I'm getting ready to go into the art studio. I didn't film any of it yesterday. We painted the floor of the room. The floor is grey, it's different colour paint from the walls. So I didn't like paint right to the edges because I didn't want to get grey paint on all of the white walls. So I'm going in this morning with a smaller paintbrush and filling in all the cracks by my space. And then I can start putting pieces up. But we got all the things I need. Guess who came all the way home to pick up the rest of her paintings and forgot her keys in the studio? So I came all the way back here, picked up a meal deal, got to my front door, realised, oh fuck, I've left my keys in the studio, had to deck it all the way back to the studio, grab my keys and come back. So we're taking a well-earned lunch break, ham and cheese sandwich and salt and vinegar McCoys. Let's go eat this and have a little chit chat, shall we? Apart from the fact that I left my keys in the studio and had to do this journey multiple times, overall, hang on, I need a plate. Overall, it's been a successful day. I also have a Vinted parcel. What is a Cat Y YouTube video without me opening a Vinted parcel? This is a little bit of a silly purchase. Is this girl was selling this for £6. It said that it was like a handmade jumper that her grandma had knit, and something about it called to me. Should I try it on quickly? Just very, very quickly. I think this is actually genuinely the funniest thing I've ever bought. Look at its little tail coming through. And like, okay, call me crazy. It does kind of look like an old woman knit it, but at the same time, like I could see Harry Styles wearing it. Maybe I'm delusional, but I think this is like one of the most iconic things. Like, look at that. Look at his little face. There was no way I was gonna see this on Vinted and not purchase it. I'm actually unironically obsessed with this, and I want to style it immediately. I could see like Lazy Oaf selling this, you know? Okay, I now need to go back to the studio. Day one of putting everything up is complete. Oh, I am so tired. Okay, I'm gonna go rot in bed. Good morning. It is day 2 of putting up an exhibition. Oh my god, I look like a mess. I'm taking a break. There's not a huge amount more that I can do until my other painting is dry. I'm gonna go get lunch with a friend. We're gonna go get brunch at the cafe we all work at, and I think I've been told if I like make a TikTok about it, I can eat for free. So I'm gonna put on my little social media boots and make some content for them, which is hilarious. I did not know that I was going to be creating social media content today, so I'm not exactly dressed for it, but we'll make it work. My hair's not even clean.
Look at Paul so I know you're ordering, not you, Paul. Yeah. Here you go. Go. Okay, come back. Okay. Off you go. All right, go. Go. Whenever you're ready. All right. No, not that. Do you want to actually? I would like you to bite into it. Yeah. Also, don't look at the camera. You're making too much eye contact. It's not a mockumentary.
Good morning. It's Thursday. My eyes are puffy because I cried like a little baby last night because I lost my goddamn camera, and I'm just really annoyed at myself because it was just a really stupid thing for me to do. I was mucking about in the park with some friends and I just left it. And I then went to the studio, did some work, and then came home. So it was like an hour and a half later, and then I noticed it was missing. By the time we got back, it was no longer there. In better news, my exhibition is coming on nicely. Unfortunately, there's no footage to prove it because I've lost my camera. Okay, I'm finally accepting defeat and wearing my trainers today. I walked around too much in these, and to be honest, my feet just hurt. And it's not worth it today. Okay, we're taking the bus to St Andrew's Square where I left it. I'm going to ask Costa, I'm going to ask the shops nearby, and then I'm going to accept defeat. And go to the studio. I missed my camera. I double checked with Costa, they did not have it. And I also asked the people who were like cleaning the square, and they said they haven't seen it, but there's been a message put out, so if anyone does like pick it up, they'll let me know. I think it's probably gone, but I've done my best. I think unfortunately my camera has been lost to the void. I've done my best, but I think I'm just going to commit to buying a new one. Very annoying, but it is what it is. Look at them.
Oh my god, they're so cute. I love little dogs in little jackets. I really do. I just got to sit in the sun for like an hour. No stress, no worries. Now I'm gonna spend the evening doing the very meditative practice of darning this jumper. Really love like visible mending. I went to the charity shop earlier. I got a couple of threads. So I'm gonna use these 2 threads. 50p each.
Happy birthday to you. I'm serious and focused, and I'll be at the end of the phone all day.
Good morning. It is Friday and it is a great day for many reasons. First of all, I am about to be finished with uni forever. 3 p.m, that's my cutoff. 3 p.m, that's it, I'm done. Second of all, it's really sunny in Edinburgh, like it's the warmest it's been so far, and I have maybe preemptively pulled out the summer dresses. I've got my legs out today. I know, it's crazy. So I'm very excited about that. I'm looking pale. I need to sit in the sun and soak some of it up. Third of all, my friend has organised a little trip down to Portobello Beach to go have a little bonfire, and I think it'll be really cute. So, but yeah. This is my outfit! Basically, I'm just very, very excited because I love summer, and also I'm done with uni, so it's like the best summer ever that's ever going to happen, ever going to exist in the entire world. I'm done! Guys, I'm literally done. I'm done. I'm finished. I can't like quite believe that I'm done, but it seems like someone sent me flowers. And it was my friend Iddy. Oh my god. Look how cute this is. This woman, this little lady. Okay, let's put these in a vase. Guys. My fucking tap just broke. Let's try that again. I'm in shock. I'm like properly soaking. There's water everywhere. I don't even know what to do. I'm gonna put my flowers in the vase. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. These are very cute though. I'm just gonna ignore the fact that my entire kitchen is flooded with water. Hee hee hee. I still cannot believe I'm done with uni, but I've faffed about a bit at home, and now I'm gonna go out and get some lunch. I really want to get like one of those like poke bowls or like a salad bowl. I don't know. I'm treating myself because I just finished uni today, and I'm gonna go sit and eat it on the meadows. Shorts on, by the way, under my skirt, so don't worry. I fucking love this weather. I just want to sit like a cat in the sun for 4 hours, and that's kind of what I'm gonna do.
It looks nicer than Scotland. Do you know what I mean? Like when you look across the sea there, you're like, oh. That feels rude. For those who are Scottish, it's not. That's what I said. It'll just smell a bit weird. me. I wouldn't have seen that coming, I'll be honest with you. Kind of crazy. Guys, get my beer. I'm gonna cry. The Northern Lights came out for me. Oh, my feet are so wet. Oh no, we took them on Bridie's phone. You can see them on that. Oh, you're so cute. Like, if I'd just seen that on a normal day, I wouldn't have thought anything of it. You don't think it's gonna be the Northern But because Lights. Someone said those are the Northern Lights, I was like, oh, I guess they're the Northern Lights. Who was it that said it? Okay. Okay. Yeah, we'll leave now then.
Good job, guys.
Yay!